more fire. Asante Kototko is in safe hands under Dr. Kwame Kyei. Otumfu is to do the second. Krobi Asante Kototko hene. Wa fire. Wa me who say Dr. Kwame Kyei brutal. Solid. Champion. No size. 3 years syndrome. No biako. We breaky record. What I say? Buno. Fire burn you all, Jana Simono. Fire burn you all. Fire. And it's a shimo, because what is shimo? Masanya competition. Usuya dian Wesuyani. Always the champ. King of afternoon, fire for fire. Sisi me Oracle Patrick, because you can call me country master. No size. One baby boy. No size. Professional. You need time for any facility. Now me young coupon sunti. They be always the champ. Me do so good him. It's not about challenge. And we hear me. It's not competition. Because we are always the best. TV sports show host, the whole Ghana. No time for any facility. The whole Ghana will be a fire for fire. I couldn't open you. More fire, Adom TV. More fire was in 94.7 FM. I said FM or Takradi. Facebook, more fire, Adom TV. Instagram, more fire, Adom TV. Ghana for Muaman and Bebia, Unaman and Bebia. Fire for fire. I don't more fire. Many time for you. It's all about the job. And yeah, Kwame Kyei who always keep him on his toes in a professional way. But a dear Juman and Uncle Kwame Kyei Yamo. So be catching us say, Dr. Kwame Kyei. He has nothing to lose because he was serving Kototko well. And then 240 to the second. Kwame Asante Kototko hini afaya no washimukina. Na ujashishimo. Board which is corporate or no corporate, he is the board chairman of Kototko. He runs the affairs of Kototko. Board chairman vision. And a Kototko, a DHD. Yes, you bet what professional. Now, who told you that Kwame Kyei? Sabi, only go for no more running Kototko. The management now, Mufaya almost Omoya Diana. Oh, Omoya Wamo. Now, Kwame Kyei one and then running Kototko. And the need of Kwame Kyei, Onyashi in Kong, the need of Kwame Kyei and Yanko for no Mubabe, Jenny Bear running Kototko. Na Kwame Kyei did that any no onu kwana gini makotoko enka joja maku onu oyede as club chairman oyede eti Kwame Kyei no ena me ka kiro say the love ankasa wo makotoko eni na daji a onyama akotoko ni sika wo dia hye kotoko no eni na king of kings his majesty otu vote to do the thing. So dana sumjo eno day a dead you know. And Kwame Kyei has nothing to lose because we are serving Kototko ye mukochia a chief of staff menshia mukochia no mutimi di obi ko mutimi so obi nsa ko mutimi ko bo obi din say we never be Kototko fire pay you all Kwame Kyei mo say football no afi no abem it is supporting na nipa bi afa ho adane sikadie kala bule konkonsan wisam eno mu bu Kwame Kyei fa so mu wie so na atom ne nonsense ne trash kaza yento players na Kototko enyina so no player ben na mode call ya Kwame Kyei ntimi anto me kan kire me but ni nyina na mu interest wom yento players na munya mo de emi mo amo se Kotoko mu ntimi nka no di ni sika wo se na da ade e kire wo dode ma Kotoko no hwa da ko jache se mo ye professional pana common sense mo adwene ni da da ni da nyina wo ye adwuma Kotoko fo me ka kire mo en kada ko jache Adani stadium big time Kwame Kyei na de sika da ko jache to wall kakaka se ne ba ya Kotoko bedi kofa kabai ni wotua kana free ho the past 3 years Kwame Kyei fa Kotoko she Kotoko playing body no team no technical team ahoto Kotoko ko Africa Kotoko mo league and wo dey bo Africa but Kwame Kyei must stadium yema with fantastic motivation she players ye she technical team ye ma winning bonuses akese sika akese all in the name say Kotoko begina Kotoko beji cap Kotoko ebe fe at that time so to Ghana football could go sika die passa a ban president and ban referees ban administrators because number 12 uta achiche because sika die passa corruption of Ghana football but Dr. Kwame Kyei ni Kotoko and at that time no kuta Kotoko kuta Ghana mu ewo continental matches Africa baby he needs your support because one more say football onimu ene waba besua wa adwuma nim so here support no kura na obeka kire no wo hia Kwame Kyei o fire no professional otiase obe so obe the right thing. Who told you say we don't keep him on the stool and fire Kwame Kyei professional? It is about say Ubede Uberman is that support. No timi ade ashe Kotoko no ama Kotoko is fantastic. Now 2-4 man so a board chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko or running affairs of Kotoko. Sa 3 years kankana motewa na utim for vegetable no basis budi shijina so utim for vegetable and na mesimu koshi chief of staff mo antimi anso obi nsa say we ni wo ba vegetable na on say wise skin kasa and no one no utim for say to the second club ya Asante Kotoko ona Kotoko ene dia ohini otu nanankasa na yeah sometimes usua de asua ye some of us ye come asua ne ye kasa nanankasa vision ya sum ye rade ne yaba ye nyankopon ne so we know where we are coming from adwuma ne ye professionalism enye like mad dogs fire bender so adwuma ne ye be professional and you can't contest because I mean fireman over fire for fire. I will always keep you on your toes in the professional way. At the end of the day, Ubos will jana best show. And then I see Simuina Dr. Kwame Kyei, a board chairman of Kotoko. And so near Sumesi also no Bentin Ebeya Jumo. He is the board chairman of Kotoko. At the end of the day, the final decision maker. You're not going to hold the young never going but the final decision maker. And no 2-4 to the second club, yes, Asante Kotoko. And the confidence as a Kwame Kyei Kotoko for you say Kotoko, I wouldn't papa pansem. I had Dr. Professor Kwame Kyei.